you see me come and make some room.
Everywhere I go, I'm in the spotlight. This is the good life. I'm living bold. This is what it looks like on the tip-top of the world.
Hello, gorillas. I'm your boy, Chef Perry, the vegan gorilla. Today we're going to make some no-bake chocolate macaroons. Holy macaroons. And a little soap just came on. Awesome. So let's get this started up, get that prepped. Okay, so we're going to put some ingredients together, very simple. Just a few ingredients. We got some dark chocolate chips, about half a cup. 70% cacao. 70% cacao. We got some nice coconut. You can use shredded coconut, which you probably should use. I didn't have shredded coconut. I had more coconut pieces, but I just put it in my little mortar and pestle there and grind it up a little bit. So we get about 1/4 cup of that. I'm going to use just about a tablespoon of coconut oil. I have unflavored coconut oil. Don't use that. Don't replace it with olive oil. That coconut oil is good. And a little bit of salt, some love, little boiler going. And last minute I decided, you know what, try some peanut butter. I might do half in peanut butter to see how it comes out. So I want to see if it's a little more flavorful. Chocolate, peanut butter, coconut. Now, obviously, omit that if you don't want to use it, or if obviously you have nut allergies, you want to do that. So let's get this going. Okay, so what I have here is just a little bit of water. I'm going to do a double boiler to melt the chocolate. Never put the chocolate directly in the pot because it burns quickly, and that's just nasty. You don't want that. So just have to. You can actually microwave it. I don't have a microwave. I don't use a microwave. You can definitely use that. But I'm going to use double boiler. So a little bit of water, either hot on top, chocolate in there. The steam from the water melts the bottom, gets it hot, and it melts up nice. Okay, so let's get that going. Let me turn this thing on first. Oh baby, how you doing? It's not working. All right, better press this way. All right, little change up on the equipment here. Oh, so for some reason not working very well. So actually, luckily I ordered a new one not too long ago, so it's the first time using this. So anyways, let's get the water boiling. Put that on there, get that going. And like I said, once it starts boiling, I'm going to put this on top of there, so let the steam heat up that bowl, full of chocolate chips in there, and we'll start melting it. So I don't know what happened to the other one, why that thing's not working. I guess I'm getting old like that and just can't turn things on anymore. I don't know. Oh well, this should work. All right, so again, we got some salt, coconut oil, peanut butter to the side, vanilla, chocolate. This should start to get hot pretty soon. Ooh, started already. Put that on there. Once that warms up, we'll be good to go. All right. Okay, so this is starting to boil up, and I'm getting steam in there, so I can put the chocolate in there. Remember, to keep it vegan, you got to go with dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao. So let that melt up a little bit. Easier way, obviously, like I said, if you have a microwave, just throw it in the microwave quickly, but I don't own a microwave. Used to, stopped using for years, so. Anyways, it's starting to melt up nicely already. Give it a second. Handy little tool to keep everything clean. So we got some oil that's going to go in next. Once that's there, I'm going to stir it up, get a nice little shine to it. A little vanilla extract. This one is straight from Mexico. Love it. Good. Okay, so keep an eye on your chocolate because you don't want it to burn, obviously. This is starting to melt up nice. It's not much, only half a cup in there, so it won't take long. Okay, so it's getting there. It's a few more chunks in there, but a couple more minutes and this thing should cream right up, smooth, melt. Well, it's actually, it won't take that long. It's fast enough. Nice. All right, leave that in there. So we're gonna go with a tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use the solid coconut oil if you want. That's fine. You might get a little bit more coconut-y taste. This one is unflavored, just the one I have. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of that in there. Pour it out more. It spills out. Give it a little stir again. Oh yeah. Turn that down a little bit. Oh, see now it's nice and shiny right now. Nice and shiny to it. Okay. Turn that down a little bit. Don't go in the chocolate. Don't want to touch it hands. Let's go with 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. And we're going to go with a pinch of salt. A little stir. Smells good. Smell-o-vision, that's what we need, some smell-o-vision. Okay, so now I'm going to pour this in. So we got our coconut. Let me get that in there. Good stir. Oh yeah, it's coming together now. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with the peanut butter in a minute. So I'm going to do like half like this and then half with the peanut butter. Okay. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just chunky up in there. So it's going really good. Okay. So the next is what we do is we put that back on. We got the most important ingredient, a little bit of love. Thank you. Always add the love, always add the love. A little stir. Okay, let's get this out of the way. So what we need next is a little pan, parchment paper, because we're not going to bake it. We're going to put it in the fridge to cool. Let's put a little pan underneath some parchment paper. So I'm going to use a spoon. Put that in there. And see if I can just spoon a couple tablespoons like so. Separate so that we'll do about 2 or 3 big tablespoons in each. Holy macaroni. Good, looking good. Okay, I want to do about half, so I think that's, yeah, I'll probably get another good 3 of these, but let's try 3 with the peanut butter. So I want to try that. They were down before. Go with the large tablespoon, extra large tablespoon, probably about 3 tablespoons to be honest. That get in there. Again, nuts, don't use it if you have allergies, please. It's just an option. I want to try to see the difference of both and see what happens. So, but if you like peanut butter and you're not allergic to it, definitely give it a shot. I'll let you know anyways on my gorilla grading. So. Just let that peanut butter get in there and melt down a little bit. See if it's got to give it a different flavor. It's got it, right? I don't know, chocolate, coconut, peanut butter. It's a no-brainer. Okay, so let's turn that off. This actually, had peanut butter made it a little bit more liquefied, which is going to be harder to stabilize and make its shape. So. Give this a few seconds to cool off. That way it'll thicken up a little bit. Come on, baby, get thick. Go, thick. Get it thick. Yeah, get thick. All right. So, give me a second. I'm gonna let that cool for about a minute, so it's not so runny. Never thought about that. I forgot about it. Extra fluid in there is going to make it a little bit more liquefied. So as you can see right now, it's a little too liquefied. So let it thicken a little bit. So back 1 minute, let that thicken up. Put another 3, maybe 4 on there. Then we're going to put it in the fridge, not the freezer, just the fridge, for about an hour or 2. Let it solidify, and we'll give it a test. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. This looks like it's thickened up a bit, so which is great. Let's put this in here. Color's a little bit different. Not much though. Light brown. Still a little runny. I probably should have left a little bit longer. Oh well. It's still solidified. Let's get some chill in it. Chill. 3. This one's gonna run right into that one. Damn it! Damn it! This over the corner. This might be an epic fail on this one, on the peanut butter. Because it's definitely running all over the place. Oh well. Still chocolate. I'll know which one's the peanut butter one because it's the ones that look like flat patties. They don't look as good as the other ones, so I'm gonna say this is gonna be an epic fail on this one. Maybe not such a good idea. Probably should have used more peanut or less peanut butter and more coconut, I think, in there once I was at that. See what happens when you mess with science? Doesn't seem to work out, but it'll still be good though. All right, I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, let it cool down, solidify. I'll come back, do a little taste test, and we'll go from there. All right, see you in a bit. Hello, gorillas, I am back, and we got the finished product there. So as you can see, these 3 came out nice. The peanut butter not so much. Let me show you. Epic fail. Epic fail. Obviously, I didn't allow for, it's still good though, I didn't allow for the extra volume of liquid with the peanut butter melting, so I'll have to go back to drawing board and adjust this recipe, probably add some more coconut, maybe let the chocolate thicken up a little bit more next time before I do that, so, or a little bit more peanut butter, we'll see. But anyways, aside from that, let's give these ones a try. These ones turn out pretty nice, you can see, nice and chunky. Oh wow, that's actually pretty good. I'm not a big dessert person, a sweet guy. Well, a sweet guy, but you know, I'm not a big dessert person, but those are really good actually. I can taste just a hint of salt, which is good because it complements that chocolate really nice. And a little bit of the vanilla in there. And it's not too much coconut, so which is nice. Boy, that tastes really good. I'm actually gonna give that I'm gonna have to give that a 5. 5 rolls. Actually, it was really good. Surprising, actually. Huh? I didn't think I would like it too much, to be honest. Probably because I don't do sweets a lot, but that's really good. This, I'm gonna give it a no gorillas. Didn't make the cut, but I'm gonna try it anyway just to see what the flavor's like. Definitely a 0 on presentation. Oh, look at that! See, it didn't even firm up like those ones did. Give it a try. Well, actually, I like the taste of this one too. I can taste the peanut butter. It's actually nice, but I'm gonna change it up and definitely make that come alive with and look like that with the peanut butter flavor. Yeah, actually tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Very good. Looks like crap, but actually tastes pretty good. I'm still gonna give it a 0. It didn't turn out. Let me know in the comments if you want me to readjust this so I can make this properly. I'll work on it. I'll play with the ingredients a little bit to make sure I get everything together and form. But actually, this is really good too. So I want it to look like that, but I like this flavor too. So Anyways, if I don't see you again, or when I do see you again, namaste, much love, be kind to everyone. Keep on vegan cooking. See you later.